If it's time to replace a sensor or to cut a temperature string that you've made apart so you can repurpose it for your next project, you're going to need to take the PEX segments apart. And you can do that using the same tool that you use to install them. I'm going to show you how. So most PEX crimper tools, including the one that we sell, are able to not only crimp PEX rings, but also cut them apart. On this tool, you're going to make sure that the tool is unlocked and rotate the dial so that the number 2 is by the red dot, and make sure that it actuates. Now we're going to place the tool along perpendicular to how we would normally crimp. So it'll be like this, and we're going to actuate the crimper. When you do that, it cuts off the crimped portion and lets you remove the ring easily. Then you can get the fitting out. Sometimes this takes a pair of pliers to get it out, as these crimps can be pretty durable. But as you can see, cutting it apart to repurpose a string is really no big deal. Then you just have to cut the wires and the connectors if you're going to take the string totally apart, and you're ready to build your next string. If you need help reconfiguring the head unit for different numbers of sensors or different serial numbers of sensors, that's an advanced topic covered in another video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team or check out the numerous other videos on the FieldTemp system on our website and YouTube channel.